Hi, I'm Chris. I'm a healthcare facilities engineer, and the reason why we're here today is we want to demonstrate this new temperature alert product that we received. We were told by the company that it was very easy to install, it was very comprehensive in its operation, and it was one of those things where we actually wanted to see it to believe it. So we agreed to do a beta test, and that's why we're here today. So I just wanted to basically show what all's involved as far as the components. The system consists of a gateway that reports over the cellular network, and we're going to use two individual reporting nodes. These nodes each report temperature and humidity in and of themselves, but additionally they have two sensor inputs that are very flexible. You could use dry contacts, 4 to 20 millivolt inputs, etc. It's extremely flexible in how you use it to monitor things. Actually, just temperature and humidity is the least that it'll do. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn these things on. Each one of these sensor nodes has a battery in it that lasts for 5 years. It also reports over the cloud when the battery level gets to a certain threshold, and that's all stuff that's user adjustable. So we've got both of these nodes turned on. What we're going to do now, we're going to go back into the ORs, we're going to mount the gateway, we're going to plug it all in, and then we're going to go online to the cloud and see the data. Okay, the first step is we're going to place one of the two temperature sensing nodes into our ORs. Now, as I said earlier, we're just going to use the sensor in its raw state. It's going to sense temperature, humidity. We're not going to use the additional inputs at this point. So we're going to place the first node in the first OR. And we're going to place the second sensor in the other OR. Right up here. And the last step is we're going to set the cellular gateway up in the third OR. Now the cellular gateway also can monitor temperature and humidity, which we're going to have it set up for, but it also has 4 additional inputs on it, but that we're not going to be using those today for demonstration purposes. So we're going to go plug this in, set it up here. Smaller antenna receives the signal from the nodes, and the larger antenna transmits the data to the cloud via the cellular network. And that's all plugged in. And now we're going to go to the computer. Okay, so the next step is we're going to go to temperaturealert.com, and we're going to go to Sensor Cloud Login. Temperature Alert gave us a temporary name and a password. We're going to put that in. We're going to sign in. And bingo, there's all the data. Here's the two sensor nodes, and there's the gateway. We can view all that information. The graphing and reporting capability of the software is extremely robust. The notification means email, text, telephone, you name it. What I really like about the system is the individual sensor nodes communicate to the gateway via a communication technology called Zigbee. But the data gets to the cloud via the cellular network, so hence there's no Wi-Fi involved. The network's extremely secure, and nobody can hack into it. So that's pretty much the long and the short of it. We unpacked the stuff, we turned it on, we set it up, we went online, we viewed the data. That's it. Well, there you have it. That was the demonstration. We unpacked the stuff, we turned it on, we plugged it in, we got it running. There was no IT people involved, no technicians. It doesn't get any easier than that. Thanks for watching.